Hello my dear students, how are you all? I just hope that you all are doing great at your home. Children, I know that you all are missing your school, your friends and your teachers. We all teachers are also missing you too. Children, at this tough time, you have to be very careful. You have to maintain the social distance to keep yourself safe, to keep your family members safe. And due to this lockdown, don't think that there is no need to study at home. Please be in touch with the study materials provided to you by the teachers through these online classes. If you have any doubt, any query, go through the videos again and again and try to understand and try to clarify your doubts. Also, you can mail me if you have any doubt or query. If you are not finding out any answer, if you have any doubt, then you can mail me also. And children, I'm very much happy that you all are doing your work on a regular basis and sending me your work through mails. Okay children, so now let's proceed towards our next chapter. Okay children, so today I'm going to start the second chapter of your book ICSE Understanding Computer Studies. Take out page number 22. Here comes our second chapter, GUI Operating System and Introduction. Now, before understanding what is an operating system, let me give you an example. Children, you would be knowing that the principal controls all the activities of your school, isn't it? He plays an important role to organize and manage all the activities of the school. That is why the principal acts as the controller of an academic environment of your school. So children, like the principal of your school, operating system controls various activities of a computer system. Now let us understand more about operating system. So operating system is a set of programs designed to support all the activities of a computer system. Now children, as we all know that the computer system is made up of different parts and its all parts work together to perform some task. So that's why it requires a manager who can manages and controls all the part of the computer. So that manager is the operating system. It is the most important software that runs on a computer. And without an operating system, computer is useless. It is like an empty box. Okay children, so now let's discuss about the functions of an operating system. The first function is it interacts with the hardware and software. Now children, an operating system acts as an interface between the hardware and software. You know what do you mean by an interface? Interface means interaction. Interface is like a communication. So an operating system communicate between the hardware and software. It makes a hardware to work with the software. So now come to the next point. It coordinates and assigns the tasks to the software. Now children, an operating system is responsible for coordination of activities and assigning those activities to the software. Now the next one is it interprets the commands and instruction. Children, now interprets means it translates. Now what it translates? It translates the data or instructions entered by the user to the machine language. And you all know that a computer understands only the machine language. So it helps the computer to get ready to receive instructions from the users. Okay children, now come to the next point. It detects the errors present in the system. Now children, an operating system detects the errors if present in the system. It sets an environment for smooth working of a computer system. Okay children, so till now we have discussed about the operating system, what is an operating system, and about the functions of an operating system. Children, so now let's discuss about the two different environments provided by the operating system for the user. So the first one is CUI, means Command User Interface. Now children, this kind of operating system interacts with the computer through commands which are typed through keyboard. Means if you work on this environment, if you work on this kind of operating system, you have to type commands with the help of a keyboard. Okay children, look at this interface. It is a kind of an operating system where you have to type the commands to interact with the computer. Here no pictures, no icons are visible. It's just a black screen and you have to type the commands if you want to perform some task on a computer. Presently, character user interface operating systems is not in use in most of the computers. Now, for example, MS-DOS. MS-DOS is an operating system which uses CUI, means Command User Interface. What is the full form of MS-DOS? Microsoft Disk Operating System. The next environment which is provided by the operating system is GUI, means Graphical User Interface. Now children, graphical means graphics or pictures. Users are we, who uses the computer, and interface means communication or interaction. Means we user interacts with computer through graphics or pictures, and GUI makes it possible to use a mouse instead of keyboard. Children, if you want to perform any task on this operating system, we just simply need to click on the option available with the help of a mouse. The most popular examples of GUI operating systems are Windows 7, Windows 8 and Windows 10. Children, Windows is popularly known as Graphical User Interface. Some latest Windows operating systems are Windows 7, Windows 8 and Windows 10. Okay children, now let's come to the next topic, classification of GUI operating system. Now children, the GUI operating system is further divided into two categories. The first one is single user operating system. Now, a single user operating system allows only one user at a time. Means only one person can work on it at a time. For example, Windows 7, Windows 8 and Windows 10. These are the operating systems which can be installed in our personal computers and only one person can work on it. This category is multi-user operating system. Now children, multi-user operating system allows more than one user to work on different computers. These all computers are connected to the main server. Server is the main computer which regulates or which controls all these computers' activities. Look at this picture. This main server connects all the computers and controls all its activities. Multi-user operating systems is used in big organizations like in offices, in railway stations, airports, etc. Now the examples of multi-user operating systems are Linux and Windows Server. Now children, Microsoft Windows is one of the most popular operating system. It is very easy to use. That is why it is used by most of the people around the world. Now, Windows 8 is one of the latest version of MS Windows. When we switch on the computer, after a few seconds, Windows 8 operating system gets loaded into the computer memory. This process of loading is called booting. While booting, the picture of the Windows logo appears on the screen. Now, children, after some time, it shows the first screen with a lot of icons. That screen is known as the start screen of Windows 8. Now, it shows that the system is ready for use and you can start working on it by clicking on desktop icon. Now children, the first screen that appears after booting process is called desktop. As you have many things at your study table, similarly a computer desktop contains many items on it to work with. Now children, you are seeing some small pictures on the desktop. These small pictures on the desktop are referred as icons. Each icon represents a file, folder or a program. You can open these icons by double clicking on them. Some of the icons are computer, network, recycle bin and etc. Okay, children, so I just hope that you all have understood the topics we have covered in this video. We'll be meeting soon in the next video and we'll cover the rest of the topics. Till now, stay safe, stay home, and complete all the assignments in a very neat and clean handwriting. And make sure to spell words correctly. Okay, children, bye bye, take care.